Namaste, dear yogis, and welcome to this guided gratitude meditation. Find a comfortable seated position on your chair or on a yoga mat. Lengthen your spine, lengthen the back of your neck, and relax your shoulders away from your ears, resting your palms wherever is comfortable on your lap or on your thighs. Take a moment to settle in and feel the ground or the surface that you're on beneath you. Notice the air around you and notice your breath. Try to observe your breath without changing anything. Now take a nourishing, deep breath in through your nose. Fill your belly, ribcage, and chest with air. And exhale all the air out. Empty your chest, ribcage, and then your belly. Do that twice more. A full, complete breath in through your nose. Fill yourself from bottom to top. And a deep breath out, emptying yourself from top to bottom. Deep breath in. Deep breath out, let everything go. Bring your awareness to your heart space. And now imagine that you're breathing in through your heart, breathing out through your heart. Breathe in through your heart and breathe out. Inhale through your heart. Exhale through your heart. Keep going. Think of one person or one thing you're very grateful for. And imagine that person or that thing in your heart space. Breathe in gratitude, love, and appreciation for this person or thing. Breathe out and surround yourself with gratitude, appreciation, and love. Breathe in gratitude and appreciation. Breathe out and surround yourself like you're filling a magical bubble that surrounds you. Keep going. As you're breathing in and out through your heart space, feeling the love and gratitude, spread this feeling in the rest of your chest, your upper back, your shoulders, your neck, your belly, your whole back, your head, your arms, your hands, your hips, your bottom, your legs, and your feet. Feel this love and gratitude all over your body. Spread it out. Keep spreading it further than your skin line. And imagine that magical bubble around you like a snowball that you're filling up with love and gratitude and appreciation. Fill every little spot, every space. Fill it up all the way. And you can even give it a color, maybe like a golden glow or white. And feel this love and gratitude in every fiber and every cell of your whole being. Beautiful. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the cadence of your breath in your tummy, in your chest. And let's finish this short guided meditation with one deep clearing breath in through your nose. deep breath out. You can dip your chin down and place your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Ground yourself. Come back to this moment. Blink your eyes open and give yourself a big thank you that you took this time to practice gratitude. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm very grateful that you're here with me, from my heart to yours. Hey Yogi, thank you so much for stepping on the yoga mat with me. You did it, and I'm super proud of you. I have this gift for you that I would love to send to you. It's a beautiful flow for gratitude. All you need to do is click the link below this video, enter your first name and your email, and then I'll send it to you right away. So make sure that you get that gift, and then also make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, share it with your friends and your family, and also share a little bit about your yoga journey in the comments. If you have any questions or feedback or just about how it went for you, I would love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again on the yoga mat. Bye for now.